Welcome back to my channel. I'll be sharing a recent breakthrough discovery. The Japanese automakers notoriously released the first mass-produced hybrid ever with the Toyota Prius back in the late 90s. Although they implemented electric batteries into their vehicles long before other big-name brands, they have been surprisingly late to the game when it comes to fully electric vehicles, otherwise known as UV. Companies like Ford, Tesla, General Motors, Hyundai, and many more have all released multiple electric vehicles into the market, while Toyota has just recently unveiled its first EV. The Toyota BZ4X is an electric SUV crossover that is expected to arrive later this year. While it seems like they're finally catching up in the EV race, the automakers need to do something that propels them past their competition. Toyota's engineers may have found this answer with a new solid-state battery technology. First of all, to understand what this breakthrough could mean for the automotive industry, it is essential to understand the difference between solid-state batteries and the current lithium-ion batteries used in today's electric vehicles. The lithium-ion batteries found in most EVs on the road use a liquid or gel form electrolyte that carries the charged particles in the battery from one electrode to another. Unfortunately, certain challenges occur due to the use of the liquid electrolyte that has become a significant safety concern. These batteries have been known to experience leakage or overheat, which can pose a serious threat to the driver and any passengers. The composition of electrolyte material is usually made up of lithium salts and organic solvents, both very flammable and have the potential to catch on fire when exposed to oxygen. On top of that, these batteries are known to degrade much faster, leading to consumers replacing batteries in their vehicles over time, which can be very expensive. This is where solid-state batteries are a game changer. As the name suggests, solid-state batteries swap out the liquid electrolyte for a solid one. In doing so, solid electrolyte significantly decreases the risk of leakage and overheating. Additionally, the more stable structure of the solid electrolyte allows for higher energy density than liquid ion batteries, giving EVs a much longer range on a single charge. With a higher energy density, solid-state batteries can be produced in more compact forms, preventing the expansion and shrinkage of the material that leads to degradation experienced by lithium-ion batteries. This also means quicker charging times for the vehicles. The longer lifespan offered potentially means these batteries could even outlast the life of the vehicle itself. In a recent interview with Chief Technology Officer Hiroki Nakajima, he announced the Japanese automakers have overcome the hurdles, saying, "We found quality material." While there were no exact details on the type of material, the company announced its plan to release a solid-state battery as early as 2027. This is not a surprise to many, as Toyota leads the industry in solid-state battery research, having well over 1,000 patents. When the solid-state batteries are released in 2027 or 2028, Toyota says the batteries will give their EVs an impressive 745 miles of range, surpassing the current world record range of 520 miles. Additionally, Toyota's technology will be able to reduce charging times down to only 10 minutes. Eventually, the automakers release a second-generation solid-state battery that will increase its EV range even more, with a 932-mile range and charging times of less than 10 minutes. To put things in perspective, the best-selling EV currently, the Tesla Model Y, has a top range of 330 miles, with its most expensive trim and charging times of 15 minutes when using the Tesla supercharger. Toyota's only current EV, the BZ4X, has around 318 miles on a single charge and takes about 30 minutes to charge. This new technology will double more than the current range of its EVs and decrease charging times by roughly 67%. The main reason no one will be seeing these on the roads until the end of this decade is due to the high production costs. If Toyota is wanting to mass-produce EVs with this new battery, the automakers are going to have to continue searching for ways to cut down manufacturing costs, making it affordable for its consumers. Will this new breakthrough be the future of cars? We'll have to wait and see. That's all for this video, and I'll see you again. Bye.